So while the neighbors were traipsing through the field looking for these guys, we have them in my front yard. There's 5 of them actually, because there's one over by my car. We're just gonna let them go. Maybe feed them. They can stay here all they want. They'll be safe. As long as the boyfriend isn't in the truck. They're pretty. I wonder if I can walk over and see the others. You're quiet. You stay too. This one. See? There's quite a few of them. There you go.